I love you, Bobby.
First so perfect.
Oh my god, this is nuts.
Hard.
This is actually
So good.
nuts. Just know, I am gonna make this car mental. Today we're going to be fitting the Cobra adjustable suspension kit. The current ride height is ridiculously high, and here's the front as well for reference. It's around 30mm lower on the back and roughly around a 40mm drop on the front. Putting on the Milltek full catback system, OPF delete with the non-resonated OPF delete pipes, and hopefully it should get a lot louder. I'm actually going to be putting down pipes on this a little bit further down the line.
Depot on the beat.
This man here is going to be the guy that's painting the bumper. I sprung it on him last minute. I was like, right, I need the car ready for the weekend.
Yesterday, yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. And here we are at the moment.
Introducing Europe's first Adro G82, and we couldn't be happy with how it's turned out, to be completely honest. I know Nathan's kind of lost for words every time he looks at it.
To be honest, I can't get over it.
No, it's...
I literally can't get over it. I think it's
nuts. You're just looking through the lens, you know.
It's lovely in hand. It's slightly thicker than what the OEM mill is. Then obviously we've now fitted the magnetic evolved paddles, and when you're going through the gears, they genuinely feel insane. That's going to round off today's video. If you like any of the parts which are on this car, they're all available in the AUTOID store. If you're stuck with anything, just feel free to drop a member of our team a message. They'll come back to you as soon as possible. And if you like the content, make sure you subscribe.